in childhood, children quickly sense things that people don't put into words, and they can feel a lot of things and discover things as well.
With a view maybe to modern German history?
Who has been, you know, before the own story. So, because, I mean, obviously, it is so hard to understand.
And then, of course, there was lots and lots of advice. I was told how to learn my lines objective. There are a lot of women, 4 different generations.